Have you ever wondered what exactly is a sustainable food system? And how exactly does sustainability fit into food? Today, our group will explain a little bit more about how exactly these two variables fit into food production and distribution.
Based on our research, we found the sustainable food system as a system that embraces all elements: environment, people, inputs, processes, infrastructure, institutions, market and trade. The list goes on, but they all relate back to the activities that are producing, processing, distributing, marketing, preparing, and consuming food. These activities, of course, have outputs, including social and environmental outcomes. This system, of course, includes the production, distribution, and consumption of food. A sustainable food system is very complex to achieve and also to explain, but with a focus on how stakeholder networks have an effect on production and distribution, a true sustainable food system story can be told. To explain this story better, we decided it would be best in the process of developing our scenarios, we focus on two important variables that will affect the sustainability of Rotterdam's existing food system. The first variable is the policies, whether or not they are existing, implemented, or cascaded down to affect key stakeholders. And in the present, we have recognized that these policies and plans, such as the Sustainable Food Agenda, and institutions like the Rotterdam Food Cluster that are operating in the Netherlands, exist, but monitor and evaluation mechanisms are not in place to observe actual impacts of these particular policies and institutions. The second variable is the network, whether or not stakeholders are involved in policy formulation, development, and implementation. Having an established network where resources can be shared, such as knowledge, human capital, financial capacity, can drive food production and distribution to new highs and lows, with or without a network. In order to achieve a sustainable food system, based on our assessment and findings, we envision a Rotterdam that has innovative and well-implemented policies and stakeholders that are involved towards a sustainable food system by 2030. This leads us to furthering the story of a sustainable food system and how this could or could not be achieved through our discussion portion.